Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, credit cards. Specifically, we're going to explore the question, how many credit cards should I have? Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned pro, this is a question that can spark a lot of debate. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's break it down together. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of this topic, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the number of credit card options available or confused about how many you should actually have? If so, you're definitely not alone. When it comes to credit cards, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. The number of credit cards you should have varies based on your individual financial situation, spending habits, and financial goals. Let's start with some general guidelines to help us understand how many cards might be right for you. First, let's talk about what credit cards are and why they matter. Credit cards allow you to borrow money from a lender to make purchases or withdraw cash. You're expected to pay back this borrowed amount, usually by the end of the month, to avoid interest charges. Having a credit card can help build your credit history, which is crucial for future financial opportunities, like buying a home or securing a loan. One important concept to grasp is the credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your total credit limit that you're currently using. Financial experts typically recommend keeping this ratio below 30%. Now, how does this relate to the number of credit cards? Let's say you have one credit card with a $1,000 limit and you often carry a $300 balance. Your utilization ratio would be 30%. But if you opened another card with a similar limit, your total credit limit would now be $2,000. If you still carry that $300 balance, your utilization ratio drops to 15%. In essence, having more credit cards can help lower your utilization ratio, which can positively impact your credit score. Now, let's consider the different types of credit cards available. Rewards cards. These cards offer points, cashback, or travel miles for every dollar spent. If you're someone who travels frequently or spends a lot on groceries, having a rewards card might make sense for you. Cashback cards. These cards give you a small percentage of your spending back as cash. If you're looking for simplicity, a cashback card is a great option. Secured credit cards. If you're new to credit or looking to rebuild your score, a secured card might be your best bet. With these, you provide a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. So, depending on your spending habits and needs, you might find value in holding different types of cards. So, how many credit cards should you have? According to various financial experts, a good range is anywhere from 1 to 3 credit cards. If you're just starting, having one card is a great way to build credit without overwhelming yourself. It allows you to learn responsible spending and repayment habits. On the other hand, if you're more experienced with credit management, having 2 to 3 cards can diversify your credit options and help you optimize rewards or cashback. However, it's essential to understand the risks of having too many credit cards. For instance, having multiple cards can lead to overspending, especially if you're not keeping track of your balances. Additionally, applying for several credit cards at once can result in multiple hard inquiries on your credit report, which may lower your credit score temporarily. If you decide that having multiple credit cards is right for you, here are some tips for managing them wisely. Keep track of due dates. Set reminders for payment due dates to avoid late fees. Pay your balance in full. This will help you avoid interest charges and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit score and report to stay informed about your financial health. So, to wrap it all up, the number of credit cards you should have depends on your financial goals, spending habits, and comfort level with managing credit. Generally, having 1 to 3 credit cards is a good rule of thumb, but the key is to use them responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with credit cards, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances like a pro. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay savvy, everyone.